Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCtech. In this video, I will introduce the COUNTIF function and demonstrate how to use the COUNTIF function with an array. I will be creating a compact list using index, math, and COUNTIF function with a focus on the COUNTIF function in this Excel formula. As you can see, this is the result after completion. Now I will guide you through and explain this compilation of Excel formula. To get started, please download the file I have provided in the description below. After finish download, you will have this file. I will input formula in B2 to make compact list. In B2, you input equal index open parenthesis A2 to A20. You press F4 to lock the string, comma, math open parenthesis 0, COUNTIF open parenthesis B2 to B2. We list to lock B2 in the left of column like this, comma A2 to A20. You press F4 to lock the string, close parenthesis, comma 0, close parenthesis, comma 0, close parenthesis. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter simultaneously because this is an array formula. Like this. Highlight to below and press Ctrl D to copy formula. We have an A value, so I will use if arrows to hide it. Before index, we put if arrow open parenthesis. In the end, put comma. Value if arrows is empty, double quotation mark. Close parenthesis. Don't forget to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter in simultaneously. You select B2. Before index, we input if arrows open parenthesis. In the end, put comma. Value if arrows is empty, double quotation mark. Close parenthesis. Don't forget to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter in simultaneously. Highlight and copy formula to below. In case if you don't want press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter, you can push COUNTIF in index function like this. Before COUNTIF, you push index open parenthesis. In the end of COUNTIF, here, comma 0, close parenthesis. Now you just press Enter. Copy formula to below. Still the same result. Now I will explain about this formula. In B2, you highlight COUNTIF and press Apply in array. All is 0, so must screen display 1. It means index screen return result in the first cell in arrays. It is Jones. You press ESC to return. In B3, you highlight COUNTIF function. Press Apply. In array have 1 and 0. Before range B1 to B2 have a Jones. It means when look up in the A2 to A20 will be found. So display 1. Must just find 0 in array. So will return result 2. Because the 0 behind the first number 1, it means Anna. And you see 2, Anna. Okay, press the ESC to return. Select cell, same process until finished. Tomat. This is logical of this formula. It will take some time to understand, so you should practice it again carefully. Okay, I already finished show you how to create a compact list with list value using COUNTIF function. If you see my video and this spot useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.